I'm Alex Sharf, Signal Integrity Engineering Manager at Tyco Electronics. I'm here at DesignCon 2011 showing Strada Whisper in a typical backplane architecture where we have a backplane made of Megtron 6 material and two plug-in cards or blades operating at 20 gigabit per second. We're demonstrating currently a 27-inch total link channel that has a primary channel at 20 gigabits per second and 20 noise aggressors on that channel running full duplex at speeds up to 20 gigabit per second across those 20 aggressors, all at the 27-inch length. The silicon provided to us by Avago Technologies is both generating and receiving the traffic and provides both driver and receive side equalization. And we've been running at bit error rates of e to the minus 13, e to the minus 14 throughout the duration of the show. The Strada Whisper connector that allows us to reach these speeds is demonstrated here, and we've incorporated some unique technologies into the product where we are doing fully isolated shielding for every differential pair. That's done both on the header side through U-shaped shielding as well as a metallicized and shield member on the receptacle side. Also, this provides very high isolation and low noise levels in a SKU-less product design that's also translated into the high-density footprint on both the header and receptacle or backplane and daughter card sides. So what you can see on the screen here is the eye opening that we're receiving in the Avago receiver after the receive side equalization, and then also a monitor of the various traffic across the primary channel that we are monitoring. So for more information on this product, please check us out at www.te.com/products/Strada Whisper. Thank you.